Welcome back to Skill Science Academy. Today, we're exploring why pie charts often hide the insights you're trying to reveal, using a student score distribution across 4 subjects as our example. In a standard pie chart, variables are represented by angles and slice areas. Notice how our dial gauge visualization makes the scores between 80 and 90 look almost identical. The human visual cortex struggles to compare circular angles without a shared baseline. This visual ambiguity creates cognitive friction, defeating the primary purpose of the chart. Now, let's transform that data into a standard bar chart. Our visual cortex is highly optimized to compare linear lengths aligned to a common baseline, instantly removing cognitive load. It is now effortless to see that science is the highest score, while English is the lowest. These segmented pillars make the 10-point spread obvious, saving your audience from guessing. We've added horizontal lines to create measurement gauges. When designing reports or dashboards, your goal is to minimize analytical friction. Swapping a pie for a bar increases processing speed. The real trouble begins when we compare multiple categories at once. What happens when we introduce a second student, Bella, to benchmark academic performance? Try to determine if Bella scored higher than Alex in history, and by how much. With dual pie charts, your eyes must dart back and forth, mentally rotating disconnected slices. The lack of a shared coordinate grid demands immense mental effort, drastically increasing the chance for interpretation errors and undermining the value of your graphic. The solution is a grouped bar chart. By placing Alex and Bella's scores side by side on a shared grid, comparisons become immediate. We can clearly see where each student leads. This structure provides absolute clarity by anchoring variables to a shared y-axis. This is why data scientists prefer bar charts. They save space and make your insights undeniable. Please watch the interactive sandbox just below this video to experience live learning and toggle the buttons. Remember, every small insight is a step toward mastery. Thanks for watching this video. Keep upgrading your skills scientifically with Skill Science Academy. I'll see you in the next level.